We need to talk, Terry. Terry? We need to talk. It's about Colin.
Our Colin?
Yes, our Colin. Who else is Colin?
Well, I know at least 3 Collins. Plus there's Colin next door.
I'm being serious, Terry. I found this. It was in his room.
Tomb Raider?
Whatever her name is. I don't want our Colin exposed to this rubbish. Not to mention it's degrading to women.
She single-handedly kills grizzly bears.
How is that degrading?
I don't care if she kills bloody dinosaurs. I don't want our son getting ideas.
Okay. It's just... she can actually kill dinosaurs as well as grizzly bears.
I don't care about that slut. Colin.
Hi, Mum. Dad?
No badminton?
Mr. Crawford was ill. I'll be upstairs.
I want you to talk to him.
Okay. About...
I don't know, Terry. What do you think? Girls? Relationships? Sex? You know, that thing that dried up about 5 years ago?
Well, why didn't you just say? I don't think Colin is really old enough to start talking about, you know, having...
Sex?
Well, you can call it that.
No, Terry. That's what it is. Sex.
Well,
Look, if you can't do it, I will.
no. It's all right. I can do it.
You didn't do it, did you? Unbelievable. Colin?
Yes, Mum?
I was wondering if we could... Your father still hasn't had those pipes fixed.
Yeah.
Anyway, I was wondering if we could have a little chat. Well, that wasn't so difficult now, was it? It was nice to see him experimenting.
I beg your pardon?
Experimenting, you know, trying out new things. I didn't even know he was interested in all that until now.
Let me get this straight. You're saying you're absolutely okay with that?
Yeah. In fact, I think we should be encouraging it.
I really don't think that's a good idea.
See there? It's that kind of attitude that isn't helping Terry. I want you to take an interest in what he's doing for once. You know, you just have to be more hands-on with him. Show him you care. Be a dad.
Well, I know times have moved on.
I don't want to hear it, Terry. You can do it down here if you want. You'll have to put something down. Don't want you making a mess on the carpet. I'll pick something up on the way home from work tomorrow. On Colin!
Mum?
Who the hell are all these people? You just wait till your father hears. Terry?
Hello, darling.
Dad?
Colin? I thought you... Oh dear. This isn't what it looks like. Liz. I just want to say...
I don't want to hear it, Terry.